mean, you can have a sample like this, but again, am I selling bulbs or am I selling the magic? I'm not going to in person anyway. Now, if I am going to go to in person, I may have lights like this so that way they can see. I'm going to take one of the Sam wreaths because they look amazing, and that's some things that I'm going to do. When does the phone start ringing the most? The week of Thanksgiving. The weekend and the week of Thanksgiving is what the biggest time the phone will blow up. The week of Thanksgiving is when you can get 100 to 200 phone calls a day. If you've done your marketing, you've done the stuff you needed to do. The week of Thanksgiving. So, probably starting not this weekend, actually, not this weekend, but next weekend is when it will blow up the biggest time. So, that is when the phone will go nuts. So that is when the phone goes nuts. What other questions you all got?